Is AI killing freelance jobs? The headlines say yes, but the reality is more complicated, and you can thrive if you know how. In this video, we'll look at where AI really harms freelance work and where it helps. You'll learn why freelancers are actually adopting AI faster than full-time workers, and how to turn that into an advantage. To start us off is that AI isn't replacing freelancers, it's replacing low-skill outputs. AI isn't wiping out freelance jobs, it's shifting what clients see as worth paying for. Repetitive, low-skill tasks are getting automated, yes, but that just raises the bar. What's in demand now are freelancers who bring strategy, voice, insight, or niche expertise, things AI can't replicate on its own. So if you're feeling replaced, the real shift is this. Clients are no longer buying time, they're buying outcomes. The second point is that freelancers are quietly winning with AI. Here's the truth most people miss. Freelancers are adapting to AI faster than traditional employees. Why? Because they have to. They don't have departments or layers of approval, so they experiment, they build workflows, and they find ways to work smarter. AI isn't just a threat. For freelancers who lean in, it's leverage. It's helping them write faster, research deeper, brainstorm better, and deliver more value in less time. The real winners? They're not replacing themselves with AI, they're using AI to amplify what they do best. Not all freelance work is equal in the age of AI. Let's be honest, some freelance roles are feeling the pressure more than others. Tasks that rely on repetition or surface-level writing are the first to get automated. But work that requires emotional intelligence, deep expertise, or real creativity? That's not just safe, it's thriving. Clients still want the human touch when it comes to strategy, storytelling, design thinking, or navigating complex decisions. If your work depends on judgment, originality, or trust, you're in a strong position. Next up is that if you want to stay relevant, don't compete with AI, build on top of it. The fastest way to fall behind is to ignore AI, but the smartest freelancers aren't trying to beat it, they're learning how to work above it. That means knowing how to give AI better instructions, how to spot what it gets wrong, and how to turn raw output into something client-ready. It's not about being technical, it's about being valuable. The real skill now? Turning AI's rough drafts into finished products clients can trust. Lastly, stop selling tasks. Start solving problems. If you want to stay ahead, don't just offer deliverables, offer outcomes. Instead of selling writing, sell a content engine. Instead of offering design, offer automated templates clients can reuse. AI gives you the leverage to move beyond one-off tasks and build repeatable systems, strategy, and solutions. That shift from task-based to value-based gives you pricing power, client loyalty, and a seat at the table. In closing, become a modern polymath. The future of freelancing doesn't belong to one-skill specialists. It belongs to modern polymaths, people who blend creativity, critical thinking, and AI fluency to solve problems from all angles. That might mean writing content, building simple automations, analyzing data, or guiding clients through AI strategy. You don't have to be perfect at everything, but the more adaptable you are, the harder you are to replace. So yes, AI is changing freelance work, but it's not the end. It's a shift, from task doers to problem solvers, from executors to creative strategists. If you're navigating that shift, excited or unsure, drop a comment. What's your niche? Where are you growing? Let's figure it out together. And until next time, bye.